Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And by the way, I do have a giveaway going on, so I'll have a link to it down below, but it was just my last video, my most recent one. So definitely go check it out and make sure you enter. But anyway, today I am going to be reviewing the Kylie Cosmetics birthday collection for 2019, her 22nd birthday. Let's just get right into today's video so that we can get through all these products. I usually like to start with the packaging, so that's what we're gonna do again. Start with the palette, because that's like the big thing in this collection. So this is the palette from Kylie's collection this year. Sparkly lettering, which she seems to do a lot, and baby pink for the rest of it. And then this is the palette. There's just so much detail. Like a lot of the matte shades have like a little $ imprint in them, and then even the mirror has money on it, so it's just such cool detailing, and I just really like that. So I will definitely be trying out a lot of these shades today. So I'm going to create an eye look with that palette. And then the next thing I'm going to just show you guys is the new highlighters that Kylie has. So these are the jelly Kylighters, which I'm really excited to try out. This is completely new to Kylie Cosmetics. So as you guys can see, this is the packaging. It's just metallic pink with sparkly $. The inside of the packaging is just like little money bags. It's really cute packaging. Also, 2 shimmer eye glazes in this collection. So the packaging for those has 22 in sparkly lettering and just baby pink. It's a small box, so it's pretty simple packaging with $ on the inside. From the Kylie Cosmetics summer collection, I am so excited to try these shimmer eye glazes because they were amazing last time out. I love Kylie's high glosses, and this was just such a gorgeous color. It's in the shade 1 in a Billion, and it's really nice. I don't know if I'll use this today or not because there is a lip kit, so I'll have to see if I want a glossier lip or not. But this is the packaging. It just says money all over it, and Kylie in sparkly lettering. The lip kit, so it does have some money on the Kylie drip here, and again, of course, sparkle. And the inside of this lip kit literally looks like money on the inside. The details on this collection are amazing, honestly, so yeah. But this is in the shade Kylie. This is the Kylie Velvet, which is also new. There is a Kylie Matte, but this is the Velvet version, and so I'm really excited to try this color out. And this is the Kylie Cosmetics Money Roll. There are 3 matte lipsticks in here. This is just a little trio, and again, such cute packaging. So this is one of them. This is in the shade Mama Boss, and it's a little bit more of a reddy pink shade. Then this is a neutral, a little bit of a deeper nude color in the shade Hustle Honey, and again, really pretty though. The shade Money Mindset is the lightest, and shades like this look really nice with like a little bit of a deeper lip liner, and this right on top. I just really like the way that that looks. So super excited to try all this out. We have a bunch of new products to try out today, so let's get right into this tutorial. Obviously my face makeup is done. I actually did use a bunch of Kylie products today, but all the products will be listed down below in the description. Just wanted to focus on the review for today's video. We're going to start out with the eyes. I'm going to go into the shade Blue Faces, which is this neutral matte shade, and I'm just going to put this on using a flat eyeshadow brush. Dip that in, and I'm just going to apply this right into my crease. I just want to add a nice transition and really make this eye look gradual, because I do want to play with a little bit of color today. This palette is too colorful not to. So now I'm going with a blending brush into the shade Work For It, which is a matte light pink, and I'm just going to add this right over top of that transition we just applied, very softly just blending that out. And then I'm just going to also add a little bit of that color just to my lower lash line. I'm going into the shade Long Money, which is a deeper matte pink. Just applying this right into the crease and just deepening things up. I am going to just blend this out on this edge here. Now I'm going into the shade Bands, which is a little bit of a browner color, And I'm just going to apply this right on this outer edge of the pink and lightly blend that in. Go back into the shade Long Money, which is again that pink color, and I'm just adding this right over top and blending it in. The colors so far are really workable and are showing up pretty well. I'm happy with this palette so far. Go in with a concealer and just cut my crease all the way across my lid here. Now I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go into the shade On a Budget, which is a light pink matte shade, and I am just going to add this to the inner corner of the concealer on my lid. Then I am going to add the shade Long Money again on the middle of my lid and basically towards the end of my lid as well, but we are going to add another little bit of a color there. Using a blending brush and going into the shade Breaking Records, which is a deeper color on the end here, and I'm just going to lightly blend this on the edge of the lid. A little bit of concealer to help clean up this edge. And now I'm going to go back in with another flat eyeshadow brush and add the shade Goal Setter, which is this gorgeous shimmery pink color. And I'm just going to pop this right onto the center of my lids, and it is so pigmented. That is so pretty. A little bit of the shade 22 Candles, because that color looks just so pretty. I'm just going to tap this right on the edge of that shimmer that we just added. And I am just going to top off the inner corner with the shade 22, which is a lighter pink shimmer. Next up, I want to add the shade Dime Piece, which is the Shimmer Eye Glaze, and I'm just going to line my crease with this color to define the cut crease that we have. I'm going to use this little angled eyeliner brush and go into this gold color, almost patting it more so than dragging, because then it'll pick up the color a little bit better. I'm also going to add the eyeshadow shade Birthday Queen, which is a gold. I'm just going to add that with it, and I think it just is going to really help amp up that gold. So now I am just going to add my winged liner and use the edge of this crease kind of as a guide and go with the shape of the rest of the eye look. So for the lower lash line, I am going to add the shade Time for Cake, which is this bright neon green shade, and I'm using another angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to pop this right onto the inner half of my lower lash line. I'm going to add this deeper dark matte green color and add that right to the outer half of the lower lash line. So for my waterline, I want to add the gold like we have in the crease, so I'm going to use this NYX metallic eyeliner in the shade Gold, and I'm just going to line my waterline with this color. I'm going to add the shade Time is Money and add this right to the inner corners and also to my brow bone. And now I'm just going to pop on some lashes and I will be right back. Now that the eyes are done, I'm actually really happy with them. We are going to move on to highlighter. Today I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Jelly Kylighter, and this one is in the shade Pink Paper. So I'm so excited for this. It's like a liquid almost. Swatched this already before. I almost need like a dot of it and it will go a long way. So I think I'm just going to use like the little cap covers to not dip my finger actually into the product. And I think it will work best with your finger. And like, I just barely tap that. You can just already see it. Very lightly start to apply this. This would work really nicely as like a base for a powder highlighter. It would just look really nice because it gives you a little bit of a tacky sort of surface to apply a powder onto, and then I feel like that would really amp up your normal highlighter. And then I'm just going to use whatever's left on my finger and just highlighting my nose. So this isn't really like a jelly highlighter, because then if it was a jelly highlighter you'd be able to stick your finger in it and it wouldn't be liquid. more of like a substance to it if it was jelly. I do really like the pigmentation and the quality of it, so you just don't need a lot of product. And I would definitely recommend using your finger, not a brush. If you leave the little cap that comes with it on, use whatever's on the lid, because as you can see, that's all I used off this lid for my entire face, is where there's nothing left. So a little bit goes a long way with this product. And now for lips, I am going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics lip kit today in the shade Kylie, obviously from the collection. So I'm just going to start out by lining my lips with the lip liner. And then once my lips are filled in and lined, I am just going to use the Velvet Kylie lip kit. So this actually might be like one of my new favorite Kylie lip colors. I absolutely love this one. I can actually wear this every single day. Okay, so I will do a quick swatch for you guys. I'm not going to add a gloss over top. I think the matte lip looks really nice with the shimmer on the eyes. So I will do a quick swatch of each of the lipstick shades for you guys, just right on the back of my hand. I do really like these Kylie lipsticks. I think they're really comfortable to wear and a little easier to apply than a lip kit. These are the 3 shades in the Kylie Money Roll. And then for the high gloss, which this gloss is just so gorgeous. It has a little light shimmer to it and it's just so pretty. So it's right there on the end. So gorgeous. I love this high gloss. So this is the finished look. So this collection I think is really nice. So it's actually kind of a shame that this collection is a limited time only. I feel like that's the case with a lot of Kylie's things, but maybe she'll come back with it in the future, like her last year's birthday collection palette is at Ulta and stuff, so maybe she'll come back with some things from this collection eventually. But I do really like this collection. There are some products still available. I really like the jelly Kylighters, but I think that if you wanted like 1 or 2 things, I would say to maybe get the lip kit and the palette. And if you're not into like the colors in that palette, then maybe go for the shimmer eye glazes, because those are amazing and you can wear that with any other eyeshadow palette. So I definitely recommend those. And yeah, I think that overall this collection was really nice. Again, the attention to detail is amazing with the packaging, so I'm really impressed with it. And I will leave a link to Kylie Cosmetics down below, and I will also list all of the products that I used in today's video, even my face products, down below in the description box. And don't forget to go check out my giveaway that I mentioned earlier. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. You guys can also find me on Instagram and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!